Kaya ba ng birthday celebrant magplano ng sariling party? We shall see later kung maging successful ba o hindi.
This event, it wasn't just my birthday party. It was also like the wedding we never had, a homecoming for our family, and a housewarming party. All to create the feeling of abundance, love, joy, and support we felt was missing in the time we spent away from the Philippines. I had 2 weeks to plan, and it was hectic.
So instead of getting flowers to decorate the table, I got plants as centerpieces, and then I'm gonna decorate around like this. And then I'm gonna look for also battery-operated lamps to put around so that there's more light later because the party is gonna start around 5 p.m. Instead of using flowers na mamamatay lang after how many days, naisip ko maglagay na lang ng plants para at least give away siya na pwede din iuwi ng mga friends ko. So very practical din siya. 150 pesos lang tong isa. These plants are from Unbelievable. So I just went on their website and then I chose the plants there and then they delivered everything. And all of the plants also around, the bigger ones in the white pots. Yung mga plantita kong friends, pwede nilang iuwi yun tapos i-Gcash na lang dun sa Unbelievable yung payment. Yung style ng tables and chairs na kinuha ko sa For Rent PH, you can find them on Instagram. I'm not gonna put any tablecloth on the table since it's a garden party. I wanted the look to be rustic. Just a simple garden party. Tignan natin mamaya kung magmumukhang simple or hindi.
I love the personal touch that anything DIY brings. It doesn't have to be fancy or expensive. Anything you thought of or your hands touched with a specific intention in mind makes something simple become very special. I like anything fresh, real, and made from natural materials. Not anything too over the top, just laid back and low-key.
So this is the garden setup for my 40th birthday party. I organized everything myself. I thought of the whole theme and everything, and I'm quite happy with the way it looks. So hopefully all my friends have fun tonight. We have cocktails from Cocktails to Go, and then our food is by Chef Laudico. And then we have Aling Consuelo's Halo Halo, and then we have crepe glacé, and then we have Cebu Ninos lechon. So all of my favorite things to eat, hinanda ko siya ngayon para sa mga kaibigan ko. Ano, what do you think about the setup?
Ang ganda. The setup is so nice.
You like it?
Yes, very intimate.
Siguro if I were to do something different, gusto ko pa sana maglagay ng mga garden lights pa ganun.
The food is also something I thought long and hard about. There's no point in throwing a party if the food isn't going to be good. I appreciated so much that Chef Laudico was so hands-on with the preparation and the cooking of the food.
Thank you for honoring my party at my house. I'm so shocked and
Bianca,
surprised that you're here.
Happy birthday, of course. I cannot pass this opportunity. It's my great pleasure, Bianca.
So kilig. I'm so kilig.
I actually went to the market this morning
Oh, thank you.
and handpicked those prawns.
Wow, wow.
Like literally, I got the biggest one for you. So you have to eat that.
That's the next thing I'm gonna get now. That's the next thing I'm gonna get now. So, what do you think of my food selection?
It's perfect with this setting because it's a garden birthday. So grill, it's based on grill. Of course, you have your seafood paella.
Yes.
And then this is one of my favorites. It's like my style of kilawin with pickled onions. And, you know, it's perfect. Cause
Veggies.
Veggies, salads. The weather is perfect.
Happy birthday, Bianca!
Happy birthday!
Hi,
Happy
B!
birthday, B!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bianca! Happy birthday, Bianca! Thank you so much for having us here.
We're so happy that you're back and we're very excited for everything that's going to be in store for you.
Wishing you a really nice birthday today.
I'm so happy to hang out with you this birthday and every birthday. We have so many eras together and I'm so excited for so many more. I love you!
Life begins at 40. You know what to do next.
Enjoy!
Love you!
Dessert! Both desserts were smash hits. Halo Halo is my absolute fave. The crepes from Crêpe Classique were so good and every single serving was consumed.
Yummy!
The drinks. Cocktails to go had such a lovely setup and served the yummiest drinks. Fruity, not too sweet or strong, just right. Many others pitched in on the day to make sure I felt supported. Thank you to my manager Ban for being an extra set of hands, my sister-in-law Isa for helping host because I was quite overwhelmed.
Those who know Bianca should know this. Where was Bianca born? Any takers? Come on!
we're looking for a
Come
city.
on! Is it Berlin?
Where did Bianca and Ralph meet?
Nico, you got this!
Boracay.
My giveaway sponsor is Innovi for all the tech gifts, the Chipolo tags, and the Shocks earphones. Little Buco's Creative Corner for the cutesy heat pressing station. Dove for sharing their new summer hair care line with everyone. And to Goldilocks for my special cake. And a big thanks, of course, to Nice Print and Philia as well for helping make it all happen.
Happy birthday, B! There's so many things I could say about B, but I thought this was the perfect little anecdote to describe what she is as a person and a friend. We were in Australia together, I was producing a shoot, and I asked Bianca if she would be open to being an assistant on the shoot. And she said yes, of course, as she always does. Halfway through the day, I realized it was her birthday. And she didn't say it's my birthday. She didn't say, she didn't tell me anything. That's the sort of friend Bianca is. She's one of the most generous people I know. She does things and doesn't expect anything in return. She's so kind. We love you so much, B. Happy birthday.
I've known Bianca for a very long time. I got you a bag of fruits. If you know Bianca, that's something she would totally appreciate. My other gift for you, which I will give you for the rest of lives, is my present.
So Bianca and I have been friends since grade school, grade 5, I think. I've seen her evolve from many different phases, seeing that my friend who I've known forever has now become a mother. And I am so proud of you for everything. And I'm so happy you moved back here so we can all be with you. Happy, happy birthday. I love you.
First of all, I want to take absolutely zero credit for putting everything on. This was all Bianca's doing. Thank you, everyone, for making it out and coming here. And thank you to all of the catering and staff. It's just an incredible party. I just want to say happy birthday. Now that we're here and we're surrounded by so many friends and family, it's just amazing to share this with you. And I hope that we can do this every year and celebrate Bianca because she's a wonderful person. And if I don't say it enough, thank you for everything that you do. I wish you the happiest birthday. I love you.
It's a snake plant and another plant. I'm in my plant and wellness era.
I reflected if I would throw another party like this. I'm practical in many ways. I didn't even have a wedding. I get exhausted easily and I'm more on the introverted side of the spectrum. But the answer is yes. I would probably do it yearly during a quarter where many family birthdays are clustered close together, so it's going to be a joint celebration. But I would do a few things differently. I wouldn't plan everything 100% on my own. I would get some help. And I would ensure that I had one-on-one time with each and every guest, because that's what's going to make it so much more memorable.